That's how these anime characters got their powers. Eren Yeager was injected with a serum by his dad, then had to eat him to inherit the Attack Titan's powers and protect humanity. Yuji Itadori ate Sukuna's finger to gain cursed energy and fight monsters, since it was the only way to stop a deadly curse from spreading. Izuku Midoriya ate one of All Might's hairs to inherit the One-for-All quirk, which could only be passed through DNA, giving him the strength he needed to become a hero. Naruto had the Nine-Tails Fox sealed in him by his father to save the village and give Naruto the power he'd one day need to protect others. Denji merged with Pochita, his pet devil, to survive death. This fusion gave him the power to transform into Chainsaw Man and fight devils. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.